are you doing? Video, God, dog is a big. You want to make shirts and you want to make your own clothes?
Yeah, I make my own clothes.
Why?
Because I just want to make my own clothes.
Well, like it.
Well, you like it?
Yes, I love it. Pull it up, pull it up.
So, where's the number at?
Well, what number is? You want to sell your
This
clothes?
one number.
You want to sell your own clothes?
Yeah, because I want to sell my own clothes. That's what I want to do. I want to sell my clothes.
You want to make your own clothes as well?
And Bobby will make her own clothes because she always will make her own clothes.
Okay, fix your clothes.
That girl, Bobby girl, is crazy. She is crazy and she's funny.
She is funny.
Yes.
You are funny as well.
No, she is funny. She's funny. That's all she did. Ever she did.
Mariah, finished making a video.
Bobby did something.